Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about cost and selling price formula. The cost price is the price at which an article or item is purchased, whereas the selling price is the price at which an article or item is sold. Also, we have to identify whether it is a profit or loss. For example, let's consider buying furniture in IKEA supermarket. As you can imagine, I and Sonic went to see beds and mattresses. We noticed that one entire bed had costed $69.99. If the selling price is greater than cost price, this is a profit. For example, the given cost price of a bed is $69.99, and its selling price is $79.99. This is a profit for $10. Conversely, if the selling price is less than the cost price, this is a loss. For example, the selling price dropped down to $49.99. This is a loss for $20. Now we move ahead to the formula for percent of profit or loss. In case of gain, the selling price equals 1 plus the percentage of gain divided by 100 times the cost price. Similarly, in case of loss, the plus sign changes to negative sign instead. For example, let's go to another market. A seller could sell an LCD TV at a cost price $180 with a profit of 25%. What's the selling price you have obtained, and what's the profit? Its selling price you have obtained is $180.45. This is a profit for about 45 cents. Similarly, you could also find for the loss that the seller obtained. So we have basically learned about cost and selling price formula. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.